Exclusive to LakeMaster VX, SmartStrike is a powerful tool that combines fish behavior with LakeMaster map data and weather conditions in order to create a map that tells you where fish might be. You could use it on unfamiliar lakes or just looking for new spots on your home lake. So let's say we're on a new or unfamiliar lake and we want to locate some spots to find largemouth bass. What we're going to do on Solix is touch the chart menu, scroll down to SmartStrike. We could search for the lake that we're on, select the area of the lake we're looking at, and here we could do a species search for largemouth bass. We're in the summertime, in the middle of the day. Now we can hit execute search. And SmartStrike will now show us some areas in which we might can locate some largemouth bass. These serve as good starting points to begin our day of fishing. In addition to the species search, there are also several preset searches. For example, if I just want to search for structure in mid-depths, I could hit structure in mid-depth, execute search, and again, SmartStrike will highlight areas which match the search. In addition, you could also do an advanced search, which gives you several parameters to set your own extremely detailed search, like depth, slope, or structure type. Now we're going to show you how to do a SmartStrike search on Helix. On a chart view, press the menu key, cursor down to SmartStrike, select the lake that you're on, and also the area of the lake you're on. From here, we could do preset searches or species searches. So if I want to search for largemouth bass in the summer, in the middle of the day, clear skies, calm winds, we could do execute our search. SmartStrike will then highlight areas on the map where we could begin to fish. If you want to do other types of preset or advanced searches on Helix, with the SmartStrike menu open, cursor over to the magnifying glass. To do an advanced search, you could select many different parameters, or you could do a preset search at different depths and structure types.